You're listening to the sounds of Salford, from the UK going out to the world.
Hi and welcome to Archie's 80's Classics. How are you, mate?
Very well, mate. Very good, yeah. You?
Yeah, not too bad. I heard the good news this morning, so I'm quite made up over that.
We shall talk about that later on. For you, good news. Not good news, mate. It's the worst news I've heard for weeks that he's staying, but there you go.
Well, everyone has their own...
we shall discuss that later on.
Yes.
Later on. Right, we started off there with a song for the ace auctioneer, Coe. But he wanted a bit of... Fields of Fire and Big Country, 1983, mate.
Yeah, good song, good song.
Good choice, that, Cohen.
That's what I'm asking. We're missing him in the field, didn't we?
Yeah, gone, mate.
Gone.
Right.
Never forgotten with music
Never
like
forgotten,
that.
Yeah. Right, moving on to 1984. This is for my good friend over at Go to Doc, Dr. Masood, who was asking for 90 stuff last week, Doc. So he's got it back on track, and he's asked for a bit of Neil Tennant, mate, and a bit of the Pet Shop Boys and West End Girls.
Great choice.
you mad, too unstable, kicking in chairs and knocking down tables in a restaurant in a West End town. Call the police, there's a madman around, running down underground to a dive bar in a West End town. In a West End town, a dead end world, the East End boys and West End girls. In a West End town, a dead end world, the East End boys and West End girls. West End girls. Too many shadows, whispering voices, faces on posters, too many choices. If, when, why, what, how much have you got? Have you got it, do you get it? If so, how often? Which do you choose, a hard or soft option? In a West End town, a dead end world, the East End boys and West End girls. In a West End town, a dead end world, the East End boys and West End girls. West End girls. West End girls. West End girls. Ooh, West End town, a dead end world. East End boys, West End girls. West End girls. You got a heart of glass or a heart of stone. Just you wait till I get you home. Got no future, we've got no past. Here today, built to last in every city and every nation, from Lake Geneva to the Finland station. And a West End town, a dead end world, the East End boys and West End girls. Oh, West End town, a dead end world, East End boys, West End girls. West End girls.
That was the sound of the great Neil Tennant and West End Girls from 1984. Right, moving on to somebody who'll actually be in the air now, mate.
Who's that?
Carol Redshaw.
Oh, Carol and Gary, eh?
Yeah, they're on their way to Forteventura as we speak.
I'll tell you what, Gary come up with a great suggestion for one of the shows.
Go on.
Before the bench. I thought, we're having that here on the Sounds of Salford. We're bringing it back.
Before the bench, oh God.
Yes, before the bench.
I used to get that, didn't you?
Yeah, that's what the first thing. You looked at the Salford scores,
yeah.
and then you see who and all. See who and all, and then you look at the deficit. As you get older, you look at the deficit, don't you? And this week...
So, she's going to listen to this tomorrow around the pool. She's going to download it and listen to it around the pool.
Right, so have a great holiday.
This is 1987 Tiffany. Played this in the Dog last week, mate, when it was rocking. It's got a few of them up.
Yeah, it always does this song, doesn't it?
But did you know it's an actual cover from 1967 by Tommy James and the Shondells?
Well, I'll tell you what, you shot me with your musical knowledge there, pal.
So this is Tiffany 1987 and I Think We're Alone Now.
When we're together, and watch how you play.
That was the sound of Tiffany, and I think we're alone. Going out to Carol Redshaw, who's on the way to Fuerteventura now.
Yes.
So
make sure you go to Malta while you're there. You can get a little coach strip and get you tobacco cheap. So if you want to get me a packet, I'll be much appreciated, Carol.
Have a good time, Carol.
Yeah, have a great time. From everyone here at Sounds of Salford.
Talking about a caring and sharing radio station, mate. Did you see the Brownlee brothers yesterday?
I didn't actually see it on telly, but I seen it on the news this morning. One brother carried the other brother on.
Alistair is the gold medalist,
right?
And at this year's Olympics, Johnny was the silver medalist.
Yeah.
The triathlon series goes, he races all over the world, don't they?
Yeah.
Johnny was actually winning the triathlon series. If he would have won the race in Mexico the other day, he would have won the series unassailable. He would have won it outright. But as he came round the last corner, he was dehydrated, where his legs had completely
buckled,
gone.
Yeah.
As the South African runner passed him, followed not very far behind by his brother Alistair, who was seen he was in the arms of a steward, was going to collapse into the arms.
Yeah.
He picks him up.
Yeah.
Well, he didn't pick him up. He put his arm round his shoulder, said something to him, and ran the last 250 metres with him. But as he's got to the line, he can't go unaided. He's actually stopped at the line and threw him over. He literally threw him over the line. He had to finish. So instead of Alistair, most probably would have caught the South African and winning it. Yeah. Not only did he not finish second, he finished third because he pushed their kid over the line. So he ended up in hospital. Johnny ended up in hospital.
He shouted at him as well, didn't he?
Yeah, severe dehydration.
He shouted at him. He said, if you'd have paced yourself, you'd have won it easy. He told him off.
Well, apparently he did it. He did it a few years ago. Happened the other way. It happened the other way around. But he finished 10th. so now he's only behind by four points. So he'll
still win it anyway.
Yeah. So